When learning becomes joyful, confidence follows. Here's how Quest is changing the way students speak English.
I can't able to speak English fluently and I have a lot of stage fear, but after Quest I can able to speak fluently, and also without any stage fear I can give speeches.
The trainers who have came to us, like they are going out of the book and they are teaching us how you should be confident to perform on big stages.
I learned handwriting and how to pronounce. Before Quest I am dull in English. After Quest I am trying to speak English fluently.
Yes, I do the same. And also, I am practicing cursive writing.
Yes, I am also learning English and my communication skills.
Yes, by the way, what is the meaning of Quest?
Enthusiasm and curiosity.
From hesitation to fluent conversations, this is the Quest impact. Let your students grow with the power of English. Let them grow with Quest.